flying through all the different uses of the Nero Media Suite. You want to record a television show. This is only if you have a card in or a product that creates a television show format on your TV. So if, for instance, you have a video TV tuner on your computer, you will pull this up, interact with your computer, and record the television show for later viewing. This is a simple view your photos, just simply to pull it up and to view all your photos. Let's go ahead and move on quickly to copy and backup. Now this is if you want to copy an entire DVD video. So for instance, if you have a movie that you had made yourself or that a friend has that's a non-copy protected video, Nero does not copy, Hollywood movies, things that you rent at Blockbuster. Most of them have a copy protection, so it prevents Nero from copying those files. And so you can but if your friend has a short film that you want a copy of, you can hit this button and you will be able to copy the entire DVD video.